Welcome back to Motor Flux AI. Today, we are not just looking at a vehicle. We are witnessing the future of luxury road travel, a machine where bold design, advanced engineering, and absolute exclusivity come together as one. This is the Bentley Luxury Motorhome concept. Its front design is sharp, aggressive, and unapologetically futuristic. Every line is sculpted with purpose. Inspired by hypercars, not traditional motorhomes, from above, the design becomes even more dramatic. This is not a box on wheels. It's an armored, low-profile masterpiece, built to dominate both visually and technologically. The side profile reveals a wide, planted stance, massive wheels integrated into the body, a low height, and flowing geometric panels, giving it the presence of a high-performance concept car. Step inside, and everything changes. The cockpit is inspired by fighter jets, wrapped in Bentley-level luxury materials. Leather, metal, and ambient lighting surround the driver, creating a truly immersive experience. This is more than a driver's seat. It's a luxury living environment, a private sanctuary on wheels, designed for comfort, elegance, and total control. At night, the vehicle transforms. Soft lighting, sharp reflections, and a glowing silhouette that feels straight out of a sci-fi film. Luxury has never looked this powerful. On the open road, the experience becomes effortless. Smooth acceleration, silent cruising, and a sense of control that makes every mile feel refined. This is performance without chaos. Advanced digital systems surround you. Intelligent interfaces, futuristic displays, and smart technology that adapts to your journey. Everything works in harmony, without distraction. Look closer, and the craftsmanship speaks for itself. Every stitch, every surface, every material, crafted to meet the highest standards of luxury and precision. This is not a traditional motorhome. It's a vision of what the future can be when design is fearless and luxury has no limits. The Bentley Luxury Motorhome concept redefines what it means to travel in style. If you want to see more visions of the future, more luxury, more innovation, stay connected with Motor Flux AI. Until next time, drive the future.